Oops, sorry.
Biggie and Mr. D back together forever. Yeah! Seems like Biggie found his happy ending. Warms the heart, doesn't it, Gary? Oh, no.
I picked these sustainable local wildflowers for you. Still not a date? Because I see him holding flowers there for you. Achoo! Oh, I hate garlic.
Hey, you big idiot!
Achoo!